Hey everyone, welcome back to channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in smart home technology. And today we got something that's truly revolutionary for your home security, the best video doorbells of 2024. Number 5, Eufy Video Doorbell Dual. The Eufy Video Doorbell Dual, a cutting-edge solution designed to deliver unparalleled peace of mind, hushes you into the future of home security. Here's why it's one of the best video doorbells in 2024. With dual cameras, this doorbell has a wider field of vision, ensuring every corner of your doorway is covered. No more blind areas. Be updated about any action in crystal clear detail. 4K Ultra HD resolution provides clarity like never before. The Eufy Video Doorbell Dual records video in incredible quality, allowing you to view facial features, package details, and other details with pinpoint accuracy. The doorbell adjusts to the environment, whether it's a bright day or a gloomy night. High dynamic range HDR improves image quality in a variety of lighting circumstances, while powerful night vision technology ensures crisp footage even in low-light situations. Put an end to false alerts. The AI technology embedded into the door distinguishes between humans and other items, guaranteeing you only receive alerts when someone is at your entrance. This intelligent function reduces needless messages and keeps you focused on what is important. Your security your way. The Eufy Video Doorbell Dual has a variety of storage options. Choose between local storage with a microSD card and safe cloud storage with Eufy for enhanced convenience and accessibility. Engage in real-time chats with visitors at your door. The two-way communication feature allows you to converse with delivery staff, guests, or even prevent possible burglars whether you're at home or away. Number 4, Google Nest Hello. The Google Nest Hello Video Doorbell, named the best in 2024, ushers you into the future of home security. This elegant and clever device effortlessly integrates cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to transform how you connect with your home. The Google Nest Hello's HD video capabilities provide clarity like never before. Capture every detail, from faces to package labels, to keep you informed about who is at your door. Powered by powerful artificial intelligence, the Nest Hello can recognize known faces and provide personalized warnings. No more guessing if it's a friend, family member, or pleasant neighbor dropping by. Stay connected to your front door at all times with continuous 24/7 streaming and recording. With its night vision capabilities, the Nest Hello delivers a clear view day or night. Receive intelligent alerts personalized to your preferences. The Nest Hello recognizes people, motion, and sounds, keeping you up to date on the most important occurrences. Interact with visitors in real time, whether you're at home or far away. The two-way communication tool allows you to communicate with delivery drivers, guests, or unwelcome visitors directly from your smartphone. No worries. The Nest Hello lets you to record pre-recorded responses, ensuring that you never miss a beat, even if you are unable to respond in person. Sync your Nest Hello with other Google Nest devices and the larger Google ecosystem. Enjoy a unified smart home experience by controlling your doorbell with voice commands via Google Assistant. Built to withstand the elements, the Nest Hello's weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in rain or shine, providing peace of mind all year. Receive timely alerts when packages are delivered to your doorstep with Nest Hello's package detection feature, guaranteeing you can secure your delivery on time. Customize your monitoring with activity zones. Define particular regions surrounding your entryway that you want the Nest Hello to closely monitor, offering a customized security solution that is tailored to your individual home layout. With dual-band Wi-Fi capability, you can enjoy a dependable and fast connection. Enjoy uninterrupted video streaming and real-time notifications. Number 3, Ring Video Doorbell Wired. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired ushers in the future of home security, establishing the gold standard for smart video doorbells in 2024. This sleek and tiny device, the latest invention from Ring, a pioneer in home surveillance technology, flawlessly mixes cutting-edge technologies with user-friendly design to deliver unrivaled peace of mind. With the Ring Video Doorbell Wired's high-definition 1080 video resolution, you can immerse yourself in a crystal-clear visual experience. Whether it's day or night, the enhanced night vision ensures you never miss a moment, providing 24-hour home surveillance. The wide-angle lens provides a full picture of your doorstep, increasing security and allowing you to confidently watch your home. With the ultra-responsive motion detection technology, you can say goodbye to unwanted visitors. Customizable motion zones allow you to personalize the gadget to your unique needs, ensuring that you are alerted only when it is most important. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired takes it a step further by including superior human detection features that reduce false alarms and provide accurate notifications for enhanced convenience. The device's connected power source makes installation simple, reducing the inconvenience of frequent battery replacements. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired's compact size makes it an unobtrusive addition to your house, and its weather-resistant build provides consistent functioning in any climate. The Ring app allows you to stay connected to your home from anywhere, receive real-time notifications, answer the door, and monitor your property from the comfort of your smartphone or tablet. Number 2. Ring Battery Video Doorbell Plus. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell Plus, the peak of smart home security in 2024, is now available. This cutting-edge device combines powerful technology with user-friendly features to deliver an unrivaled home monitoring experience. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell Plus records 1080p HD video, so you never miss a detail. The improved image quality ensures a clear view of your door, day or night. With an upgraded battery system, this doorbell has a longer battery life, reducing the burden of frequent recharging. Stay connected and protected without worrying about power outages. Take use of next-generation motion detection features. The powerful sensors intelligently identify between people, animals, and objects, decreasing false alerts and offering more accurate notifications. Use the built-in two-way audio system to communicate with visitors in real time. Enjoy clear chats with the Ring Battery Video Doorbell Plus, which has pre-rolled technology that removes background noise for a better communication experience. This novel function provides you with a complete picture of events, allowing you to gain a more comprehensive knowledge of the issue. Seamlessly integrate your doorbell with your existing smart home network. Connect to voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control and added convenience. Built to withstand the elements, the Ring Battery Video Doorbell Plus is weather-resistant, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, heat, or cold. The user-friendly installation process makes setting up your smart security system a breeze. The Ring app walks you through each step, making it easy for people of all technical levels to use. Enjoy peace of mind with safe cloud storage options. The Ring membership service makes it simple to store, evaluate, and share your films. Number 1. Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell, the pinnacle of smart video doorbell technology in 2024, ushers you into the future of home security. Arlo, a well-known brand in the industry, has once again pushed the envelope to provide a seamless and smart solution for home security. High-definition video streaming right to your smartphone or tablet provides unsurpassed clarity. The Arlo Video Doorbell never misses a detail, offering crisp and vibrant photos of your doorway. The doorbell has a wide field of view, allowing you to watch not only your doorstep, but also the surrounding neighborhoods. This wide-angle view provides complete coverage and an increased sense of security. Arlo's powerful motion detection technology distinguishes between people, animals, and objects, reducing false alarms and delivering precise notifications. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best video doorbells of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.